Hey, welcome back, Kali Warriors. Today we're looking at 3 ultimate double stick combinations that will increase your Kali skills by 600%. And I've studied this. I'm Tom, head Apex coach here at Kali Center, and I'm here to really help you sharpen your stick fighting skills, increase mental focus, and really build that inner fire that Kali Eskrima has to offer. Grab your double sticks, and let's get moving. Okay, our first double sticks drill is the Fluid 6, where we're looking at the circular energy going around the head. So we come into our chamber position. We have one on the low, right at the elevation of the hip, and we have one at top on the high forehand. From here, we strike that horizontal. We're going to lift the elbow and go around the head, coming back to that same chamber. We strike the 4, going from the knee all the way up, and then we throw a 1. That's the first 3 strikes. Then we go horizontal, around the head, lift the elbow, strike the 4, and strike the 1. Counting that as 6 strikes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Key pointer here, really make sure you lift the elbow. That way you don't clip your scapula or your shoulder as you come around. So once you strike to the center, right before it gets in line with your shoulder, lift your elbow, and then strike the bottom hand, strike the top hand again. Lift the elbow, 4 and 1. Develop a nice rooted stance to start out with, because in video 2 is where we start to add all of the footwork, these Eskrima double stick drills. Next one is our upper 8s. We've worked with the fluid strikes, which go around the head in this circular fashion. Now we work into the broken strikes, which hit the center and come around the other side. This is also referred to sometimes as a V strike, because you're creating the letter V with the cut. If you've also been training with us on the Kali Center YouTube channel, you'll see this as either a chop or a hack, and hacking type of energy. So we have a fluid cut, we can also chop, or we can chop to the other side. So from here, we count that broken strike as 2 beats. So we come out from the top, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, hit that broken 2, and bring that to the other side. Those are our first 4 strikes. Then we go 5, 6, that's the V strike. 7 is the low. 8 is a broken 2. There's a little bit of a transition here between side to side. If you want to learn more about guard positions and more about chambers, sign up to our online school. Check that out. I'll coach you personally. Right now, let's go through upper 8s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The key in the upper 8 isn't how fast you deliver the strike. It's how fast you can retract it as it crosses the center. So if I just go boom and then it goes slow, boom and then it goes slow, it's going to make everything else slow down. Rather than going retract, 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 and retract. Get the hands coordinated. Have some fun. If this is new, your forearms and grip are probably like, what are you doing? And that's okay. Make some Kali gains with your double sticks. Slow it down. All right, that's the upper 8. Let's take a look at drill number 3. Okay, next drill is lower 8. We work the upper 8 when we're on the high line. In drill number 2, you're going to see a similar transition off of that broken in the lower 8. Let's start it off slow. We start with a high-low strike. Striking to the head, squatting down low. Now we come back up on a 4 and we pop a broken 2. Almost identical to how we did in the upper 8. Crazy, right? Then we come out on the other side, high horizontal. There's the low, 4, and broken 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's important, a key detail here, the little secret, don't tell anybody. When you're striking the low shot to the knee, drop the elevation vertically. Sit your hips back and drop your butt down. When I'm striking here on the horizontal, if I go here, I'm not only exposing the head, but I'm also losing range to the knee. This is probably actually going to hit the hip from my line of sight right now. That's not going to even hit the knee. But if I squat low, I now gain range to hit the knee, and I can spring back up with recovery once we get into the striking and the footwork in video number 2 for our ultimate Eskrima double sticks. So we have a high, squat low, get down low, use your legs, come back up on the floor, pop that broken 2. Same thing, high, squat low, low, rather than doing this, squat low, cover, broken 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Sometimes I wish I was shorter for Kali, especially in the first years of doing double stick drills, but I just realized way back when my legs were just weak. I needed to train more. That's why we're working this together. Drop that elevation and then spring back up, finishing that lower 8. One more. Good. Let's drill number 3, lower 8. There you have it, Kali Warriors. 3 double stick combinations that are super powerful and are gonna really up your Kali skills into 2024. To kick it up a notch, you're gonna wanna sign up to our online school, where if you choose the Apex or Gold membership, I will personally coach you. I will write a custom training plan for you. I'll train with you on video from anywhere in the world. You get on-demand training and 2 live stream classes every month with the playback. So that means you got a Kali library. You can train all day, every day. The link for the online school is in the bio. Make sure to sign up to that today. Give this video a like. I'm Tom, head coach here at Kali Center, and I'll see you in the next video.